Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my yam and fish stew or fish sauce. The first thing I'm going to be doing, of course, will be to cut the yam, and then I'm going to peel the yam. And of course, when you're peeling the yam, just be careful. Just peel it gently, remove the back of the yam. And after that, you're going to put all your peeled yam into a pot and you cover it slightly with water. And of course, you're going to put salt to taste. Some people add sugar. It depends on your preference. And then, of course, you put this to boil at medium to high heat. The next thing I'll be doing, of course, will be to blend my peppers. I'm going to be using bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and ginger. And then, of course, in a pot, I'm going to be putting that blended mixture, and I'll allow this to boil. And the essence of this boiling is to remove the excess moisture from the pepper, because we are trying to make a sauce and we don't want too much moisture in the pepper. Then the next thing I'll be doing, of course, will be to cut and remove the dirt from my mackerel fish. I'm going to be removing the inside dirt, and then I'll rinse this and season it as well as grill it. So that's what you do with the mackerel fish. Sometimes you need to really ensure that the old dirt, the gills and the internal part is removed, because you don't want that to be in your fish. Once your fish is thoroughly cleaned, you're going to place this on a parchment paper, season it, and then you place it in the oven. I'm going to be placing it in the oven at 400 degrees and for 15 minutes on either side. So after 30 minutes of boiling, the moisture in my pepper mixture has been absorbed. So I'm going to be removing this from the gas and then pouring it in the container. In the same pot, I'm going to be adding my oil. I'm adding 3 cooking spoons of oil. And I'll be adding my onions, my seasoning cube, as well as my spices. So you can use any spice of your preference. I'm using rosemary because I don't want too much spice that would overpower the taste of that fish sauce. And then after that, of course, I'm going to stir continuously, and then I'll be adding my boiled pepper into the oil mixture. And then, of course, I'll stir and leave to boil for another 15 to 20 minutes at low to medium heat. While this is boiling, I'm going to be deboning my mackerel, my already grilled mackerel. And of course, you want to remove all the bones from the fish and put that aside. Once you debone, you pour that deboned fish into your pepper mixture, which is on the gas. So you season as required. I'm just going to be adding salt to taste, and this is roughly about half teaspoon of salt. And then I'll set aside and allow to simmer for another 10 minutes at low heat. Then next, I'll be checking my yam, and my yam is completely soft. So I'm going to remove this from the gas stove. And after 10 minutes, my yam and fish sauce is ready to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe. It's very good as a breakfast meal. It could also be used as lunch. If you've not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you love this video. And please share as much as you can. You can also click on the bell sign so that you'll be notified for future videos. Thank you and have a great day.